Hello everyone, welcome to video lecture series of satellite communication. Today's topic is system noise temperature. System noise temperature in case of communication satellite link design. So in this video, I'm going to derive a mathematical relationship or the expression via which system noise temperature can be calculated. Let us begin. You are already aware with the term noise temperature. So what is noise temperature? Noise temperature, it is a very important parameter which governs the performance of a receiver. It means the design of satellite link is dependent upon this particular parameter. Here we are talking about the system noise temperature. System noise temperature is also known as the effective noise input temperature. It is denoted by TS, and when you need to derive the mathematical relationship or the expression for the effective input noise temperature, it is actually the noise temperature of a noise sources which are located at the input of a noiseless receiver, and those are going to produce or going to contribute something in the receiver output noise. So receiver system performance is determined by system noise temperature, and overall it is going to impact, and when you need to calculate it, you have to draw the receiver stage which will consist of an RF amplifier, IF amplifier, demodulator, and by considering the overall gain of the receiving stage. Here you can see for this particular receiver stage we are going to calculate the system noise temperature TS, which represents the various sources of the noise in the receiver and which are going to impact the term TS. And in case of the individual noise temperatures and gain of the corresponding individual units, we need to consider. As if you can see in this particular diagram, the signal from the satellite is being received by the receiving antenna. If PR is the received power which is to be processed through the receiver stage, and at the output will be getting the required signal. So first it is to be passed through a low pass amplifier. If the gain of this particular stage is GRF, then it will be converted into a IF with the help of a down converter and local oscillator if the gain of this stage is GM, and the gain of IF amplifier is denoted by GIF. You can write down the equation for noise power. The noise power is denoted by Pn, which is what? KTS B into G. Here K is the Boltzmann constant, TS is the system noise temperature, B is the bandwidth, and G is the gain of the overall stage. So now for this particular earth station receiver, let us draw the equivalent diagram by representing individual noise temperatures and the gain. So this is the equivalent circuit of the receiver where each and every device is replaced by a single noise source. You can see Tin is the temperature which is the input noise temperature at the RF section. So this is the input noise temperature at the RF section. TRF is the noise temperature by the RF stage, TM by the mixer local oscillator stage, TIF is by the IF amplifier stage. Each and every stages have been shown and their corresponding gains have also been written over here. So now here at the output we are getting total noise power, and total noise power is denoted by Pn. So now you have to write down the expression for total noise power at the output of IF amplifier. How you are going to write it? You know that the total noise power at the output, that will be the sum of first stage, second stage, and third stage at the output. So accordingly, one by one we are going to write it over here. Noise power at the output of IF amplifier, which is denoted by Pn, that is equal to what? First write down the equation for IF amplifier. You know the formula. This is K T B into G. So here you just remember K is the constant, B is the bandwidth which is also constant, G gain of IF amplifier is GIF and temperature TIF. Now write down the term due to the second stage at the output. Here what you are going to write it, GM K TMB into gain of IF amplifier also. Similarly, when you are writing for the third stage, the term is KB GRF into input temperature is here TIN plus TRF, sum of these two, but this particular noise power is being amplified, is being multiplied by the gain of the other two stages also, which is GM into GIF. So in this particular manner we have written this equation. Now we need to simplify it further, and you can see you can take the common KB, which is the constant in all the terms, and now let us take the common for all the three gain terms, means GIF, GM, GRF into KB. Now the first term will be what? You will be getting TIF upon GM into GRF, second term TM upon GRF, and the third term TRF plus TN. So this is what you have written it when you are simplifying it. Now you have to write down in terms of TS, which is the system noise temperature, the same noise power at the output of IF amplifier. With the same noise temperature, the output of IF amplifier, what you are going to write? Noise power, which is the gain of the three stages, it will be multiplied K T into B, and here T is system noise temperature. Now you can see you have written two equations, equation number 1 and 2 for the noise power, which is same by considering a receiver stage. So now what we can do? We can equate these two terms, these two equations. So when you are equating these two equations, you can see some of the terms will be cancelled out, like GRF, GM, GIF, K, B. So what you are getting at the resultant now? TS is equal to TRF plus TN plus TM upon GRF plus TIF upon GM into GRF. So this is the equation for the system noise temperature for receiver stage. So you must remember this also, because you will be getting certain numerical questions based on this. If you observe this particular equation, equation number 3, then you would get to know that it is very important that you can observe that beyond IF stage. If we observe beyond IF stage, then you can see the noise contribution by other units are negligible. This is almost null. So in this particular manner you can derive the equation in case you are getting the numerical question where number of stages have been increased or decreased, but in the same process you have to derive the equation. So since you can observe that each stage, gain of each stage is added in the receiver, it means the succeeding stages contribute less and less noise. You can see the term TM upon GRF, TIF upon GM into GRF. This is why you can observe that the succeeding stages, they are going to contribute very less noise. Thank you so much for watching this video.